Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. I'm glad to see you back. If you're new, welcome. Hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to have a closer look at the PG6, Nike PG6. So as you can see on the box here. So let's open up and have a look. So it's really a lot of paper here, as you see in the box view. And after a closer look, There we go. So let's see here. We got some beautiful shoes to look at today. Off to the side with the box. So yeah, really beautiful. A super nice royal blue color here, with some orange, with some white, with some lighter blue and some darker blue. And the Paul George signature up top here, as you see. The shoe is really beautiful, I gotta say. The design here is really well done. There's a lot going on, I like that. And the color combination is just beautiful. I really love the blue color with the darker area and the lighter blue on the side here. It's really nice. A good choice for Nike there. We got the beautiful stitched Nike logo on the back here with the rubber around it. We got the rubber bottom in lighter blue, and the back side is darker blue with the 13 number on the back there. On the inside we got the orange logo, and we got some nice design in orange on the tip here, and of course, as you just saw, the signature. And this beautiful design you can see up front here goes all the way up to the top in the middle. That's kind of beautiful. The inside is lighter blue, not so easy to see just right now, so even the bottom here got a lot of design to it. Really beautiful. And of course a super nice grip to the basketball side of it, if you are playing basketball with it. For me, it's an everyday shoe. I will just wear it for whatever, and when I'm outgoing, because they are just super beautiful and nice. And I gotta say, the quality is really here. It's super good quality, and it's kind of light too. That's nice. So a durable shoe. I also think it will work nicely on the summer, because it's not too warm on the foot either. It's breathable. That's nice. So overall, I really love them. I need this in different color too, because I saw that it came in a lot of colors and they all are super beautiful. So watch out for the next video. We need to try them on the foot, so